Alright guys, just recording something I'm doing for my server cloud. So I was they asked me to install something on Portainer. Well, I thought I haven't done a video for the last 3-4 weeks, so yeah, just it's gonna be something very quick. I'm going to install WebCheck. I've got already on Gist. Let's go back here now. You can find it on GitHub from Lisi93. Right, again, all the information in the description below. So yeah, WebCheck. Let me show you. I think there is a demo somewhere. There we go. So you add the URL here. I'm not sure if it's HTTP. If you put HTTP first, I don't know. Let's have a look. Presumably that's the way it works. It looks okay. Yep. There we go. So yeah, it's just a simple script. Really not much. You can check a URL if you want. You know, tells you all the information it gives you. This is a screenshot of it. Anyway, let's go back and then we'll have a look a little bit. So I also got gist file here that I made app from the original. Let's go back to Docker Compose or YAML. There we go. I changed the port and I also add some environment here. Okay, again, all the environment. Let me go back. Where I'm going back. Let's go back here. Actually, all the information about the environment you can find it here. Okay, so I just put some stuff there, maybe just in case we need it in the future. Nothing major, really. You know. Again, very simple script. Again, easy to do. We're going to use Portainer as this is what I've been asked. I'm going to go to stacks. I'm going to add a stack, name it. And I'm going to paste that. There is an error there. Of course, there is an error there. There we go. And that's it, really. Make sure you change the port just in case you let's go back here so you can actually see it what I'm talking about. So if you use a container with already the port, all right, like 3000, if I go back to the original, as you can see, it's 3000. I'm already using it, so I'm going to change this part of the port back on my gist. As you can see, I put 3100. That's it. So I done that. Make sure the path is correct. It's optional, you know, but if you want to take screenshots, that's what you want. This is correct for myself. Make sure it's correct for yourself, for you as well, just in case you do it that way without modification. And again, I'm going to deploy the stack and wait. Hopefully everything goes to plan and is going to be installed. Alright, so it comes with an error. Let's go back to here. I got Watchtower going, so I might be that's the reason why installing in at the wrong time. I think. Yeah, exactly. This is what happened. What's happening? It's just all right. Let's go back here. Comes on that. Yes. Let me copy this again. All right. Say yes now. Let's go and log in again. So everything is in the wrong time. This is what happened. I got this one doing every 15 minutes, I think. For updated 3 notify. No, that's the problem. I just done it at the wrong time. So just 1 second, guys. I'm gonna pause it for a second and pick it up. All right, as you can see, guys, we just went through the update. That's why it didn't go through anyway. So let's start it over again. Exactly the same as you see it. Let's go back and let's deploy the stack. It shouldn't be any problem, as I already done it before, and I know the code here works okay. So it would be a little bit strange not to work this time. It does take a little bit of time. It's about 800 meg downloaded. So yeah, you know, better with the actual installation. Here still saying it's not you know, new version, but as you can see at the bottom, the version has been upgraded. It's just I didn't refresh the page. Soon we're going to post a video regarding the My Server Cloud consultancy. I don't know when it's going to be ready. Anyway, as you can see, it was deployed correctly. Again, it would be a little bit strange not, you know, not to work as it worked before. So as you can see, that is 3000. That's correct. Logically, it's accessible by 3100. So yeah, it looks everything all right. Let's go back to container. Let it wait a few seconds. Let's remove that. Let's click on this and let's see what we stand. And here we go. We got a slightly different the page, but it's exactly the same thing. Let's start over and let's see if it works. HTTPS. We do it with Google. Why not? Still running, 36 out of it, but here we go. As you can see, it's, you know, it's working perfectly well. 2 ports, hey, 2 ports, yeah, you know, I mean, this is fantastic. All right, very, very, very well done. Mind, she got quite few great script going. If you want to check it out, again, everything in the description below. So yeah, you can see Dashi. I think I already got Dashi. Did I? I'm not sure if I done it. I might have a look in the future, Dashi. No, I don't think so. I don't think I done this one. But again, yeah, next time we're going to do this one here, and you know, we can have a look. All right, even though you can do a demo, and here we go. You can actually see the way it works. But yeah, no, let's go back on WebCheck, and it's done, as you can see here, right? And it works great. Yeah, no, they asked me to do this on this installation. They're using as demonstration, one of the consultancy they do. Yeah, that's it. Really not much. I hope you enjoyed it, this small quick video. Again, everything in the description below, and I'll see you next time. And hopefully this video about consultancy will come out soon, where you can actually have a consultancy with some of the consultants from My Server Cloud. If you need servers, you know, to be deployed, installations, anything you need about hosting and servers, they can help you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.